So we've got ground source heat pump as the source of heating, and underfloor heating throughout the house, on the ground floor, the first floor and the second floor. We were keen not to have radiators on any of the floors, which led us to looking at ground source combined with underfloor heating throughout. It's quite a traditional build in terms of the structure of the building. We did consider block and beam floor construction for the upper floors, but costs were quite prohibitive. So instead we went with a traditional suspended timber floor for the first and the second floor. In the past, in previous properties we'd had, that would have meant using the systems we'd used in the past, such as heat spreader plates, which we weren't particularly happy with the output of those systems, and also the controllability of the heat in terms of being able to up and lower the temperatures as we needed to. The house uses ground source heat pump, and we were keen to keep the floor temperatures as low as possible to make the system as efficient as possible. We didn't want to have radiators on the upper floors. We definitely wanted to have underfloor heating, which led us to look for alternative solutions. We've been using the system since 2011, May 2011, when we moved into the house. The initial concerns I had were how would the gypsum screed expand and contract, and also would it crack and move on a suspended timber floor. In the past 2 years, both of those concerns have turned out to be unfounded. The system has, as you'd want it to be, pretty much just blended in seamlessly into the house, and we haven't really noticed it in terms of the construction. What we have noticed is the ability to run low flow temperatures through it and to get the heat out of it that we wanted to, and also the controllability. We've got independent controls on each of the rooms in the house. And it is very controllable in terms of being able to raise and lower the temperatures in each of those spaces as required. Also the speed of response in terms of heating and cooling the floors as required, we've been impressed with as well, much more so than the control we've been able to have with heat spreader plate systems in the past.